Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. I am Siti Halimantus Shadia. I am from Pancasakti University for the Management Facultas Economy and Business. I am here to explain the material in English by Miss Tiara Diansari MPD. Okay, next. Okay, first. Bab 1. Simple present tense. What do you mean simple present tense? Simple present tense is tenses that are used when an event is currently taking place or an event that takes place recently or habits. These tenses are the most frequently used tense in English. Simple present tense adalah tenses yang digunakan ketika suatu kejadian sedang berlangsung saat ini atau kejadian yang berlangsung berulang kali atau kebiasaan. Tenses ini merupakan tenses yang paling sering digunakan dalam bahasa Inggris. To form this sentence, the basic form of the verb or verb usually used except for the person pronouns used for I plus C or S. Rumusnya, untuk membentuk kalimat tenses ini, biasanya digunakan kata kerja untuk dasar atau verb 1, kecuali untuk kata ganti orang ketiga menggunakan verb 1 ditambah S atau S. Example. Seperti ditunjukkan pada tabel di bawah ini, the rest of the sentence, I, or you, or they, or we. Go to the school by bus. She, or he, or it goes to the school by bus. The form of the verb spelling in the third person, or she, he, it, dependent on the ending of the verb. Per verb ending in O, CH, SH, X, RZ, ED, ES. Go, goes, cats, catches, was, wasses, kiss, kisses, book, books, fixes. For verb then in consonant plus Y, remove the Y and add is, carry or carries, study, studies, worry, worries, and marry, marries. Manual for verb that and in a vowel plus y, just add s, play or play, say, says, enjoys, and enjoys. Example of sentences. Here is an example sentences you can use when to indicate a recurring event that is currently taking place. I take the motor clay to the office. Aku menggunakan sepeda motor untuk pergi ke kantor. The train to Bekasi leaves every hour. Georgie sleeps 7 hours every night during the week. 2. To show a fact, the president of Indonesia is Joko Widodo. A snake has no legs. Indonesia has 34 provinces from Sabang to Merauke. 3. To show a habit or habit, Donnie gets up early at 5 o'clock every day. John takes a bath twice a day. Every year on Lebaran, most people travel to their hometown. Macam-macam kalimat simple present tense. Apa aja sih? 1. Simple present tense affirmative. Rumusnya S plus verb 1 or verb dasar or to be or is, I'm, are plus O. She reads Harry Potter books every day. Macam-macam kalimat simple present tense. Simple present tense negatif. Untuk membentuk kalimat simple present tense negatif, biasanya menggunakan tambahan don't atau don'ts sebelum kata kerja, kecuali to be and modal. Rumusnya adalah S plus don't or don'ts plus verb 1 plus O. Jika kata kerja atau verb yang berupa to be, maka rumusnya menjadi S plus is or am or are plus not plus O. Contoh simple present tense negatif. Susi Pujiastuti is not the Ministry of Married Me, Affairs and Fish Harris. Macam-macam kalimat simple present tense. Simple present tense interrogative. Do or does plus S plus verb 1 plus O. Do you play basketball every morning? Bab 2. Simple past tense. Apa sih simple past tense itu? Simple past tense adalah kalimat tenses yang digunakan untuk menyatakan kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau dan telah berakhir di masa lampau. Berbeda dengan past continuous tense, yakni menyatakan kejadian yang terjadi di masa lampau namun masih terjadi di masa sekarang. Simple present tense formula. To form simple past tense, the formula is S plus verb 2 plus O. In simple past tense sentences, the verb used is the second form of the verb. Three or two types of verbs, namely regular verbs and irregular verbs. For regular verbs, add means add or deter the first form of the verb. As an example, stay or stayed, punch, makes punched, fly, flyed, touch, touched. For irregular verbs, including to be, the form of the two verbs are very different. As example, awake or awaken, begin and began, drink and drank or drink, eat, ate, and run, ran. For irregular verbs, including to be, the form of the two verbs are very different. As an example, awake, awaken, began, began, drink, drank, ate, ate, run, ran. And however, there are some irregular verbs that have the same verb form as the base verb. As an example, foot, foot, split, split, spread, spread, set, set, cut, cut. And simple past tense. Simple past tense affirmative. Berikut ini adalah contoh-contoh kalimat simple past tense positif. 1. Abdul went to Bali for holiday last Sunday. Minggu kemarin Abdul pergi ke Bali untuk berlibur. Simple past tense negatif. Untuk membentuk kalimat simple past tense negatif, rumusnya adalah sebagai berikut. S plus did plus not plus verb 1, atau S plus to be or was or were plus not. Berikut ini adalah contoh kalimatnya. 1. I did not sleep well as last night. Aku tidak bisa tidur dengan nyenyak tadi malam. Simple past tense interrogative. Untuk membentuk kalimat simple past tense interrogative, rumusnya adalah sebagai berikut. Did plus S plus verb 1, atau was or were plus S. Berikut ini adalah contoh kalimat simple past tense. 1. Did you see my bag under the table? Apakah kamu melihat tasku di atas meja? Mungkin itu saja yang dapat saya sampaikan. Kurang lebihnya saya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.